Have you ever heard of the Rule of 72? It might not be widely discussed, but this simple formula can be the key to doubling your money effortlessly. Albert Einstein, the genius of physics, considered compound interest the eighth wonder of the world, and the Rule of 72 is a powerful tool for understanding it. But before we dive into this concept, let's illustrate its impact with a compelling story. Imagine a man named Daniel. In 1995, he received a $10,000 inheritance from his grandfather. Instead of spending it, he decided to invest it in a fund that promised an average annual return of 8%. His friend Mark, however, preferred to spend his money, believing he could start saving later when his salary increased. Fast forward 30 years, Daniel's investment had grown significantly, while Mark, who only started saving at 40, struggled to accumulate wealth. What made the difference? The magic of compound interest and the power of time. To better grasp this concept, let's explore a thought experiment. Imagine walking down a dark street when a mysterious man wearing dark sunglasses stops you. He stretches out his hands and presents two options. In his right hand, a blue pill that gives you $100,000 instantly. In his left hand, a red pill that starts with just 1 cent, but doubles every day for a month. Which one would you choose? Most people would grab the $100,000 without hesitation. But those who chose the red pill would soon discover the true power of compound interest. By the end of 30 days, that single cent doubling daily would turn into an astonishing 10,737,418 teens. Yes, over $10 million. That's the magic of interest on interest. This is exactly why Einstein called compound interest one of the most powerful forces in the universe. It allows your money to work for you 24/7 with no effort, and the longer it has to grow, the bigger the impact. To understand this better, let's look at John and Mary. Both decided to invest for retirement. John started early at 18, investing $500 per month at a 10% annual rate. He kept this habit for 12 years and then stopped investing, letting his money grow on its own. Mary, on the other hand, started at 25, investing the same $500 per month, with the same 10% annual rate, but continued until she turned 60. Now the question is, who accumulated more money? Surprisingly, even though John only invested for 12 years, he accumulated about $3,600. Meanwhile, Mary, who invested for 35 years, ended up with approximately $1,693. The difference? More than $600,000 in John's favor, simply because he started earlier. That's the effect of time combined with compound interest. Now, where does the Rule of 72 fit into all of this? This simple formula helps you determine how long it will take for your money to double, assuming a fixed rate of return. The calculation is straightforward. Just divide 72 by your annual interest rate. For example, if an investment yields 6% per year, divide 72 by 6, resulting in 12 years. This means your money would double every 12 years without any additional contributions. This makes the Rule of 72 an invaluable tool for planning investments, predicting economic trends, and even understanding the effects of inflation. Speaking of inflation, this rule can also help you see how long it will take for your purchasing power to be cut in half. If inflation averages 6% per year, dividing 72 by 6 gives 12. This means that in 12 years, prices will have doubled, effectively reducing the real value of your money by half. When it comes to saving, the Rule of 72 is just as useful. If your money earns 0.8% per month, about 9.6% per year, it will double in roughly 7.5 years. In other words, even small rates of return can make a huge difference over time. Ultimately, the biggest secret to harnessing the power of compound interest is simple: start as soon as possible. Time is your greatest ally in building wealth, so don't wait any longer to take the first step. If you found this content helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like. See you in the next video.